All right, welcome back, COSA 50 and 650, folks. Professor Almeida here. Happy Thursday, everyone. Hope you're all staying cool, as today's supposed to be the peak of the heat wave. I know here at the Almeida abode yesterday it was toasty, and no, I'm not going to do that Mortal Kombat toasty sound for those who get it. And I'm kind of showing my age here. But anyway, since it is Thursday, I will be in the Canvas live chat from 9 a.m. until noon for virtual office hours. Remember that Thursdays, my virtual office hours are in the Canvas live chat. And if you need to see me privately in person, Mondays, 1:30 to 3:30 in the COS Computer Lab in M229. So after we're done with class on Monday, we'll take an hour for lunch break, and you can find me in M229 from 1:30 to 3:30 if you need to see me privately. Of course, you can always message me through the Canvas inbox. Now, coming up in this video, we're going to talk about week 3, and we'll quickly recap what we've been doing for this week. And as a matter of fact, let's just dive right into Canvas here. All right, so again, Canvas live chat from 9 until noon. By the way, I do not monitor the chat outside of my student office hours. It was brought to my attention that some folks were trying to get a hold of me in the Canvas live chat. Again, I don't monitor the chat. The best way to reach me is through the Canvas inbox. You also have a traditional Q&A open collab forum where you can talk amongst yourselves as well. And since we're on this page, please make sure that you are staying on top of the announcements in class and watching videos like this one, because I've been fielding some questions both in the Canvas inbox and in person about what we're supposed to be doing in class for the day. You have a roadmap in your syllabus, and speaking of the syllabus, I have it right here. For those of you who are still on the fence, you have until Monday to think about it, okay? We've gone through 3 chapters of Tech for Success. You've had your exam day, and again, you have until Monday to think about it. So we're still in the add drop period. I am going to be watching participation very closely, and speaking of participation, I want to make sure that we're all aware of the attendance drops and withdrawal policies in this class. Okay, we are still in the add drop period, and that means you must fully participate. Okay, I still have every right to drop folks who haven't done a single thing since TFS Concepts 1 training. Okay, if you didn't show up for exam day, if you haven't been turning anything in, especially after this coming Monday, you could still be dropped. Okay, so let's make sure that we're all participating, and again, be aware of these policies. And again, since we're here in the syllabus, I'm going to go to the last page to our schedule. This is the roadmap, and I am trusting that you have taken the due dates and plugged them into your personal calendars, especially again since I received questions about due dates. Okay, we went over this first day of class, and I did tell you to take the due dates and plug them into your personal calendars. Speaking of due dates, you can see the due date right here for all of your remaining TFS assignments. Those are your training sims for chapters 2 through 6, and then all 6 exams will be due Sunday, September 22nd. So if you have yet to do any work since TFS Concepts 1, please get caught up. Do not let this pile up in this 4-unit class. All right, so enough of that. Here we are in modules, and we're still on week 2 because I want to quickly recap. Yesterday, you had time in class to work on your 3 exams. As I've mentioned before, whatever you don't finish in class becomes your homework. So you have your TFS Concepts 2 training from the first week, your TFS Concepts 3 training that we would have covered on Labor Day, and then you have your 3 exams. One last thing, please make sure you check in with me by Sunday night. Now, as far as I know, just about everyone in the class is subscribed to First Day. You should have paid an $87.50 fee when you signed up for the course, and this gives you everything that you need as far as SAM goes. Now, if you opt out of First Day, you will have to buy Cengage Unlimited, which is going to cost a whole lot more than $87.50. So I do not recommend opting out of First Day, but whatever you decide, because it is a free country after all, whatever you decide, you need to confirm with me in just a few short words that you have access to the materials. Again, by Sunday night, that's when the forum's going to close. And by confirming with me, you will unlock week 3 when Monday rolls around. Okay, at midnight, the module will open. If week 3 stays grayed out, it means that you didn't check in with me, and we'll talk more about that Monday in class. For those of you who like to work ahead, week 4 will also be open. Okay, so here's the game plan for Monday, September 9th and Wednesday, the 11th. So on Monday, we're going to go over operating systems and file management. And then on Wednesday, we will cover software and apps. You have the lecture slides for both chapters 4 and 5, and then you also have the training sims for chapters 4 and 5. And then again, for those who like to work ahead, chapter 6 is going to focus on security and safety, and then as before, you'll have an exam day covering TFS 4, 5, and 6. And that will wrap up Tech for Success after week 4. So that's the game plan. And on that note, have a good weekend, folks. Let's make sure we stay caught up. Stay cool out there, and I will see you all on Monday, or maybe in the Canvas live chat. Thanks for watching.